Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of Greek yogurt, a dairy delight that's not only delicious, but also packed with a whole host of incredible health benefits. Whether you're a fan already, or just curious about what makes Greek yogurt so special, you're in for a treat. We're about to uncover all the amazing ways this creamy goodness can boost your well-being. From velvety vanilla to tangy strawberry, the versatility of Greek yogurt is astounding. And the best part? Each spoonful is packed with nutrients your body will love. Plus, the endless possibilities for toppings and mix-ins mean you can customize your Greek yogurt to suit your taste buds and nutritional needs. So stick around as we explore the incredible health benefits that Greek yogurt brings to the table. Trust us, by the end of this, you'll be reaching for a spoon. First and foremost, Greek yogurt is renowned for its high protein content, making it a popular choice for individuals seeking to increase their protein intake. The key to Greek yogurt's high protein content lies in the straining process. Regular yogurt is strained to remove the whey, liquid portion, which results in a thicker, creamier product with a higher concentration of protein per serving. Greek yogurt is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes it an excellent choice for supporting various bodily functions, including muscle repair and growth. Protein is crucial for the maintenance, repair, and growth of muscle tissue. Consuming Greek yogurt, which is packed with protein, can be beneficial for individuals who engage in regular physical activity or strength training. After a workout, the body requires protein to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Greek yogurt can serve as an excellent post-exercise snack due to its high protein content. It's incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into a wide range of dishes, both sweet and savory. It can be enjoyed on its own, used as a base for smoothies, mixed with fruits and nuts, or even used as a substitute for sour cream or mayonnaise in recipes. What's more, lactose intolerance is a common digestive disorder, where individuals have difficulty digesting lactose due to a deficiency of the enzyme lactase, which is needed to break down lactose. Because Greek yogurt has less lactose than regular yogurt, it is often better tolerated by people with lactose intolerance. For those with lactose sensitivity or intolerance, consuming foods with lower lactose content can help reduce digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Greek yogurt is typically a more manageable option in this regard. Additionally, Greek yogurt is typically lower in saturated fat compared to some other dairy products. A diet low in saturated fats is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. It's also a good source of essential minerals like calcium and potassium. These minerals play a role in regulating blood pressure, which is an important factor in heart health. But wait, there is more. Greek yogurt is a rich source of calcium, a mineral that is crucial for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Adequate calcium intake is essential for bone formation, density, and strength. It's often fortified with vitamin D, which plays a vital role in calcium absorption. This vitamin helps the body absorb and utilize the calcium from the yogurt, enhancing its bone-strengthening benefits. Greek yogurt also contains important minerals like phosphorus and magnesium. These minerals work in conjunction with calcium to support the formation and mineralization of bone tissue. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Let's talk about gut health. Greek yogurt is often rich in probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria. These probiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of microorganisms in the gut. They support digestion, aid in nutrient absorption, and enhance overall gut function. Greek yogurt is typically made using strains of bacteria such as Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus during fermentation. These strains, along with any additional probiotics added, can provide various health benefits to the gut. Greek yogurt contains enzymes like lactase, which help break down lactose, making it easier to digest for individuals who may be partially lactose intolerant. Some studies suggest that the probiotics in Greek yogurt may help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, such as abdominal pain, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. The live cultures in Greek yogurt can help restore the balance of gut bacteria after a course of antibiotics, reducing the risk of antibiotic-associated diarrhea. The probiotics in Greek yogurt can improve the absorption of certain nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, by supporting the health and functionality of the gut lining. Lastly, Greek yogurt is a versatile and nutritious food that can be a valuable component of a satiety-promoting and weight management-focused diet. As we said before, Greek yogurt is renowned for its high protein content. Protein is known to be the most satiating macronutrient, meaning it helps you feel full and satisfied after a meal. Including protein-rich foods like Greek yogurt in your diet can help control hunger and reduce overall calorie intake. The combination of protein and healthy fats in Greek yogurt can slow down the digestion and absorption of nutrients. This leads to a more gradual release of energy, providing sustained feelings of fullness. Greek yogurt is a nutrient-dense food, meaning it provides a high amount of nutrients relative to its calorie content. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals looking to manage their weight, as it allows for the consumption of satisfying, filling meals without excessive caloric intake. The protein in Greek yogurt can have a positive impact on the hormones that regulate appetite, such as ghrelin, which stimulates hunger, and leptin, which signals fullness. This helps control cravings and promotes a more balanced approach to eating. There you have it, folks. The incredible health benefits of Greek yogurt are simply too good to pass up. So go ahead, indulge in this creamy delight, knowing you're giving your body a boost of essential nutrients. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.